Jerk chicken is the most healthiest form of chicken you can consume.
Whoa.
Even more than baked chicken.
Whoa. Just like that.
Most healthiest form of chicken you can consume is jerk chicken.
Just like that.
Just like
Just like that. I am at CB Pan Chicken Finals, you know. Finally. This is the finals, you know. I'm in Independence Park. I'm at Independence Park in Black River, St. Elizabeth, and you know, this is where all of the jerk kings and the jerk queens them forward out for showcase them a little touch for them, little unique touch of spice to our very own jerk chicken. CB chicken at that too. Crazy vibes, and we're here. I've been eating a lot of jerk chicken for the past couple of weeks, and we're here for trying more jerk with the boss TALLON, them wanna link me and say, yo, you have to forward, and here I am at the finals with the boss himself.
Yeah, man, I can't wait for going inside. The place smells nice, a beer jerky now going. You know what I mean? I'm gonna tell you, I'm hungry, but just want to go in and just make sure there's a whole heap of different sauce you can try. Jerky now going from now go straight back. Them have pork, them have, oh my god.
Crazy vibes. Yes, it's all some bread pudding and them things that they are. Crazy vibes. So it's not just jerk. Forward, we say a lot of stuff there for try. So we're just here for the vibes and the highlights and the food, for the culture. For the culture.
We're ready.
Natural vibes. Whoa, crazy. Whoa.
Catch your impression on your face.
What spicy? What kind of sauce is this?
Guava papaya sauce.
Guava papaya?
Guava papaya sauce. So
yo,
try it, you know. It looks good
that's
though.
so unique.
It looks good.
Guava
so,
papaya.
let's see.
Guava, definitely. Respect. So Father Miguel at the first touch of the day.
Father Miguel.
Yeah man, see me? Yeah, so this is the guava papaya sauce. TALLON they are going a film thing, you know the vibe, but it's crazy out here. The place is ram-packed with a lot of people, and we're gonna start in the guava papaya right now. You drink some of this sauce. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, no, yeah.
Pine, mango, guava papaya.
This is definitely unique, not spicy, it's just mild, slightly sweet, it's not too sweet.
I'm gonna try and do some of the mango one. Okay.
Oh yeah. Good kickstart for the day. That's the vibe here.
Daddy, all inclusive, Daddy. Beer.
Ooh, that's unique. That's unique. What flavor beer you use?
Red Stripe.
Any specific flavor? Like the sorrel or the melon or just regular Red Stripe? Nah, give me a secret.
No, all different flavors.
Oh, all different. Nice.
Pepper. Big man pepper, yeah, Daddy?
Father Miguel, one more ask you. Somebody who never eat jerk, somebody who never taste jerk in their entire life.
Very good experience.
Very good experience. That you have to tell them.
Yeah.
That you have to tell them, alright?
Matter of fact, come link me and get a good experience.
Come link, Father. Alright, Father Miguel, man. Crazy vibe, man. Respect, man.
Parker Spice.
Parker Spice?
Yes.
Alright.
See the pepper you eat? That's cool. My brand.
Oh, we never tried the pepper.
Pepper sauce?
Never tried the pepper.
Never tried pepper sauce?
No. Parker Spice. So I have to try some of this. Alright? Natural vibes. But I'm enough to leave and let's go come try this spice. So we're gonna try it right now. This is the great Father Miguel right here.
Parker Spice.
Oh, these, hold on, these are not the supermarket. Not that bit.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, I could see this. I could see this. I could see the bottle.
Not a flavor feel there, but finish.
Natural vibes.
All natural blend.
All natural. So now go hear about this in the supermarket. Parker Spice. Yeah man, so we have a wing right there. So we'll try a piece already. I think we'll try the guava. I think this is... which one to try first? The guava... Guava papaya. That was unique. Pretty much not too sweet. Just have a slight little sweetness to it and not too spicy. Crazy taste. It's very unique. Naturally. See it? And now we are going at the spice. Boss, just talk about something. Whoa! Whoa!
Change the flavor chicken, right?
Brother!
Alright. Chicken get upgrade.
Whoa! Crazy! Yo, them spices will lick your chip. But it's all good. Crazy food vibes here at CD Pan Finals. Great Father Miguel that.
Call it big man pepper and a boy pepper.
Yes, big man pepper this.
Come in, darling. Yeah, big man pepper.
Boss, it's the big man pepper and the boy pepper. And look, boy can't eat this. Natural vibes. Father Paul, somebody who never eat jerk, no know what it tastes like. Oh, you da introduce them to the thing. Where you da tell them?
Yeah, I wrote to me, I say, oh, I'm here some flour. Cut a little piece off my breast and put this by season and green.
What are the breast you give them?
Yeah, man, right there, nipple part with my season and green.
Up on the nipple?
Yeah, right there, nipple and season and green.
Yeah.
Oh, sample that.
Nice.
Sample that.
Sample that.
Cool, man.
Man has a respect, man. Hey, bless her, bless her.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Oh yeah? Blessings, man. I appreciate love you.
Sauce? Breadfruit or bread? Breadfruit or bread?
Nice.
Perfect clean.
Oh yeah.
You know? Authentic.
Natural vibes.
Natural.
I want to ask you.
Yes.
For somebody who never yet tried piece of jerk chicken, how you introduce them to this?
So what I have here is chicken from CB, which is air chill chicken. More juicy, more tender, hormone-free chicken. So it's not like I buy a jerk chicken and it's tough and trashy. This is juicy, tender chicken from CB, which is air chill. Understand what I'm saying?
Naturally.
So, and this chicken is seasoned with Walker's Wood season, 100% Jamaican Walker's Wood season.
Natural season.
Natural. This is our green blend. So all the green season that you can think of your onion, your scallion, your pimento seed, your ginger, all Jamaican natural season. And then it is seasoned again with the Walker's Wood spicy jerk season. All natural. Walker's Wood spicy.
Natural way.
Natural.
Crazy.
And it's seasoned to perfection, as you can see. White smoke. It is very important.
Oh, white smoke.
White smoke.
Oh.
So when you eat a piece of this chicken, you're not belching smoke after a time, not this black smoke and black of the chicken. As you can see, they are golden brown. They're cooked to perfection, golden brown. So the fire is low, so the white smoke that you're seeing is the juice from the chicken. Succulent juice coming, giving you that authentic Jamaican flavor.
Natural
so for someone who have never had jerk chicken, some people turn their mind from jerk chicken, and so when them eat it, them belch the smoke after a while, them just a belch.
Yeah,
jerk
for somebody who never yet tried, who don't know about it, them just hear, say it nice, but them never tried. Oh yeah, that draw them in and say, oh, this you need to try.
Oh, that draw them in. From their look. Persons basically eat nowadays with their eyes. So when you see something, you definitely decide I want to try that.
Alright.
When you see this, you definitely want to try a piece.
So that's the looks.
Just the look.
Just the looks.
It speaks for itself.
Natural vibes.
And then you will know that if it's your first, it won't be your last.
Won't be your last.
As long as you are having CB chicken and from Chef Kevin.
Ah, big up Father Kevin. I appreciate your Father Kevin. You hear that? Yeah man, that's the vibe here. We have tried it with everyone at the backstage. A lot of jerking, a lot of smoke. These smoke are expensive cologne. You know, run from them smoke, they're expensive. Yeah man. Oh God. Whoa. If somebody who never yet try jerk, why you call them into it and make them try? Somebody who just hear about it and never tried. Oh, you introduce them to it and say, come try this.
Come taste the good old
chicken. Wait, say that just say, come.
Yeah.
Good old chicken.
Good old chicken.
Good old chicken. Natural vibe. Good old chicken. That's the vibe. Oh, look on them over here. These look totally different from what we just see just now. My G. Yeah, walk him.
Yeah.
Oh God, man. Look at that, man. Oh God, man. Can you know on a fire and him just eat, not true?
Yeah.
Slow eat. Crazy vibes, man. Oh, them are ready chicken are good.
Yeah.
Natural vibe. Yeah, if it's somebody who never tried jerk, where you introduce them? So if somebody who just hear about it and hear about jerk chicken and them something about them never tried, oh you that call them in and say, come here, come try this.
First of all, come in, come try this a nice chicken.
Where's it?
A nice chicken never gonna try it. Right, you're saying it.
Yo, it was a nice chicken that I ever eat. Come in, come try this. That's the vibe. Natural Jamaican way. That's the vibe, bro. Respect, see? Manners.
Oh, the other lady got the bang down. The other lady gone. My girl.
Father Aston, one question. For somebody who never yet tried jerk, Zin, never yet tried jerk, what one thing where you tell them to draw them in and tell them to come try this? Somebody who just hear about jerk chicken and never try it. Yeah.
Never try it?
Yeah man, where you tell them?
Trust me.
Trust me. Trust me.
They are missing something. They are missing something great in our life. This is one thing in life that they are missing that they need to try.
Jerk chicken. CB.
Yeah. CB.
One banana. Oh my God, crazy vibes here. Vibe with the vendors. We just walk through and we try a piece of chicken. We try some of the chicken already, but we not done eat it. But we are trying to go around and ask some questions, you know, ask a simple question. The answers are so crazy, man, but we're going up the line. Natural vibes, TALLON about the place. We don't know them man, they are food man just like myself, but we're there here. Crazy vibes. Yeah, man.
Remember, the same thing about the bread, and man king of it. Alright, so chicken up and running. 600. Okay.
Yo, one thing I must say about this chicken, like every single pan or step across, something different is either that smell or that looks at the chicken, something totally different with all of these jerk pan. And that's what's amazing. You walk past and you see tons of red pan, but it's not the same thing in them, the same chicken in them, but may I tell you something different. And that's crazy. Look man them on it. For somebody who never yet tried jerk chicken, them just hear about it, you know. Them just hear about it, but them never tried jerk chicken. What one thing where you tell them? If you make them try, what's one thing?
Jerk chicken is the most healthiest form of chicken you can consume.
Whoa.
Even more than baked chicken.
Whoa. Just like that.
The most healthiest form of chicken you can consume is jerk chicken.
Just like that.
Just
like that. So now hear that. It's the most healthiest chicken you can actually eat right now. It's even healthier than the baked chicken. So now hear from the boss himself. So that's one thing where boss would tell you to drown in. Come, just put on the fried chicken. Come try jerk. All of the island bono. Healthy. Crazy vibes. Gone in a smoke. And them smoke when you run from still in a expensive cologne, man. Oh, then smoke your beard in them. That's the vibe, man. When I say respect, see no back. See it.
Okay, alright, I'm ready. You go ahead then.
One banana, one CB chicken, yeah? Ah, banana, man. Yes, man. One banana, man. Oh. Natural vibe, man. Look for never, man. Ooh, crazy.
You never remember this. Hello.
Hey, what's good? But them look like some pimenta.
Yeah.
Banana man. Banana with the pimenta knock too. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Hey, greetings. Mick here from Yard Life, you know, we just a pass through. A vibe, I taking some of them chicken here. Woolen man, banana man, Isa man. Yeah man.
Is that your sister's name? Pumba. Hey, boy.
Boy, right now we're walking a jerk line. With a rear one at the back end, where all the contestants are. I mean, I tell you what, way down the line, that's how we are fought. So just pure jerk come up, just pure jerk. If you can't manage them smoke, yeah, so I'm sorry. Expensive cologne you call them. Yeah, man, I'm still at go more. Yeah, man. Big up. Banana man. Banana man.
She said it's confident. Oh, because she don't want to come.
Yeah, man, in a hit, you know?
Ah, in a hit, man. Down in a hit, man. Yes, man. Mean, man.
Same thing as set, you know?
I want CB, you know?
What you mean?
Yes, man.
You know, if family
One
lives,
national.
one red.
This one.
Whoa.
Leg on time.
Breast now, breast now.
Wait a minute. So in road now?
Yeah, man, I just stay in the breast and wing. I eat everybody, yeah, man, over, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, so I sell 100 breasts before I sell one leg. Serious.
What's the feeling about breast and wing?
I said, hey, I be a man, the man they love the breast, you know? Oh, the man the guy love breast, so man, so.
Vibe. We have to love the breast. That's a vibe, man. Yeah, man. Oh, God.
Hey, you see pan chicken and a ramp with it, you know? What's in a bucket? See
Oh, God, man.
they imagine, you know?
Whoa. One breast and wing. One breast and wing I come up. All right, one breast and wing. Why people love the breast? Banana cup.
One banana.
Oh, yes, man.
One banana.
Yes, man. What chicken, man? Oh, God, man. Woo. Oh, yeah, that introduce somebody to jerk chicken. Somebody who just hear about jerk chicken and never yet tried it. Oh, yeah, that call him and say, oh, come try this. Happy try this. Oh, yeah, that tell him.
I'm gonna tell him.
Oh, yeah, that tell him.
For male and female.
Anybody at all.
Well, for male, more time I just say general. Because you know.
Yes.
And more time I say TSB, so TSB. Female, I put a little more dash to it.
I put a little more dash.
Yeah, man.
Sweet them up.
I will sweet them up, man.
Sweet them up, man.
I say sister, I say champion.
Ah, one leg and tie coming up.
And you come up. I since them do it and you come
Natural
by,
vibes.
Natural vibes.
Up to today you do it and it works.
Yes, man.
One leg and tie coming up. All right.
It's a leg and tie. All right, man.
Nice, man.
Oh, that one I'm going to do.
Man. They say I paste them up with the golden sauce. Oh, yeah, man. That's the vibe.
That's one of them barrel.
That's one of them barrel. Mash up everything. Oh. Hey, master the sauce and him barrel. Pick up yourself, you. Master the sauce and him barrel. That's the vibe here, man. Pure vibe. What you drink?
Boy, soup in the bro.
That look like fish. A fish? Chicken. One foodie. One foodie. What's one thing here that tells somebody who never yet tried jerking in their entire life, who just hear about it and them want? What you not tell them to try it?
Well, I don't tell them they miss something out of life and be not try it. They better move immediately right now. Anyway, CB competition, they try to get a whole of fight.
No.
No. What you say?
No.
You say we no experience yet? You need it? No. And when we say no, we mean like going back in the water. Back in the air, not so. No.
Yo, the vibes come now. Yeah, man. Yo, are you the man some people come try chicken from, bro? Are you the man some people come try chicken from, Alright. Alright.
Who man is to come for them?
What a younger man?
Follow up on YouTube.
That's cool, man. Manners and respect,
So the mother there,
peace and love, man, brother.
Kishi and Pam.
Somebody who never yet tried jerk.
Tumba, you can stay.
Them just hear about
Kishi,
it,
come here.
but them never tried jerk chicken. Oh, you da
Kishi, we need to
introduce
talk
them
to
to it and tell them say yo.
All right, thank
Oh,
you.
you da
My
call
friend,
him.
what's
Oh, you
your
da
name?
call him in and say yo. You have to try it.
Melissa, big up yourself. Listen, you
What
take
I think
place
is-
on the place.
For them sample.
Because one thing to say people like
For them
now,
sampling,
this is the kind of information we need.
So from them
we
look
can
on
proceed
it,
accordingly.
from them look on it, or from them sample it. Which one do you get them for? The taste of
Better
the
Kishi, come here.
Alright, my boss. Manners and
Yeah,
respect.
that's
See it?
we got Jane, ladies. You try your thing, go on.
Right now we keep going on some chicken. We are here from all of the vendors them.
The man said don't go far.
Boss, don't go far. Alright, boss, don't go far. Crazy vibes. It's a whole entertainment vibes here. The food, the love, the culture. Everybody just there vibe. But we want some chicken. Yeah, man, we want some chicken. But every minute it's a laugh. Cheese and peace. Finally get some chicken to eat right now. From Father Abrams. We've been waiting for this about an hour now. Over an hour, bro.
Waiting for a long while to get this chicken. Finally get it.
Leave it up.
While to get this.
Oh, God, man. Crazy.
I'm gonna count you down. And on 3.
Look, and this is fresh.
First you can fly the red stripe and drink it all off. We'll win our prize tonight, alright? So after 3, 1, 2, 3, go!
Yo, that just melt wet. Yo, this was worth the wait. This was worth the wait.
Beard upon your chest. Beard upon your front left. Oh, you go front.
Yo, this is amazing. This is amazing. Father Abrams, big up yourself. You've been waiting for a while, but
Yeah, man, you're wicked.
that's why you still. That's the vibe.
We're running through here, right? Alright, come on, pass a crate. Pass a buckle down a crate. Yeah.
You're good.
I can everybody else get some CD bags, please. That are yours, boss. Hear that? Yeah. Alright. Can I get some CD bags, please? Some CD bags, please. Go share up your friend there.
Crazy vibes. Wait over an hour to get it, but well worth it. It's done already. This is the vibe. We came here for the vibes, for the food, for the culture, and the love. You know it. Yeah, vibe. That's the vibe. Yeah, man. Fun finals. Crazy vibes.